I don't know if you can hear it, the transformers are humming. This is a whole solar farm. It goes on farther than you can see, and I think this powers, partially powers the Volkswagen plant. Actually, walking on gravel, kind of unfortunate because it slips with each step on an incline. So, yeah. I'm not out of shape. You're out of shape. So what I find fascinating is when you see a vine like this, it's going up, it's going up, it's going up, it's going up, going up, and it connects like 60 feet above the ground. How did it get there? Beautiful day out, really nice. It's not a real interesting place to hike so far, but it's been a nice, easy trail, and definitely getting some distance in and some elevation climb, and that's the point. Talk to you later. Well, it's kind of funny that I've been abandoned. Lila and Andrea are way ahead somewhere. I've been kind of pacing. I don't know why, but I mean, I feel fine, but just not as quick as they are. And yeah, so we're walking through this area now, and it's all pine trees, mostly pine trees, and walking on a bed of pine needles, which is quite nice, and welcome change from the gravel and dirt that we've been walking on before. Still a nice path, all in all. A nice trail. Really like it. All right, we finished, and cheers.
Cheers. Ow!
And yeah, so
Sprite. Ow!
Sprite. Yeah, Einstock, which is Icelandic toasted porter, and it's really good.
Wicked weed.
Of course.
Freak of nature.
Right, Coca-Cola Company.
You sound like a corporate shill. From Coca-Cola. Yeah. So, yeah. I think I watched some video where some guys, it may be more than one, where he said, like, you know, do yourself a favor, pack a cooler in your car and have something to look forward to when you're done. That's a good idea, good advice. That tastes really good. So, yeah.
What did we do? 9?
No, we did over 11 miles.
What?
And and we did it has to update, but it's over 1,000 feet of elevation, and probably over 1,100 feet of elevation. Yeah, so that started out, I'd say the first half was kind of like disturbingly easy, and the second half was disturbingly hard. I guess it's just a lot of climbing up we had to do to come back. So did everybody survive?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
Barely. That last half mile was like from hell. I was like, woohoo! 0.5 left. Yeah, and I just kept going. And
Yeah.
Going and going.
all right. So, yeah, we finished the hike. It's quite. I mean, I knew it was going to be a little harder, but it ended up being a little harder than I thought. I think it got a little warm too, which is probably made it worse. But the good news is we had beers and a Sprite waiting for us in the car, and now we're gonna go to Tropical something cafe. I don't know, and get something to eat. And yeah, so cool. Lila, say cool. Oh, that
was ridiculous.
that was the most pathetic
Come
cool
on.
ever.
It might be pathetic, but it's my cool.
It's barely your cool.
Cool.
All right.